Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this facelift vibrating anti-aging skin tightening facial massager. Okay, so this massager is supposed to help tighten and firm up the fine line and wrinkles, improve contour, reduce fine lines, soothes edema, brightens the skin. So right here we have a beauty pamphlet. This right here tells you everything that it does. It is an EMS skin tightening device. Here is the specifications. So it's supposed to help remove a fine line and wrinkles on the forehead, light lines extended. It's three-dimensional repair, firming, and lifting. It's a microcurrent, reaches the root of the face collapse, improves the bottom of the skin from the inside to the outside, lets you dare to make up. It takes your dull skin and brightens it up. So here is the user manual. This one basically tells you how to use it. 1, it promotes facial lines. 2, it stimulates collagen. It improves the skin elasticity, and it's a parameter introduction. So it produces 4 stalls. It is an Lion and EMS. The frequencies are 50 to 60 hertz. The output is 60 hertz. So this is supposed to help with deep cleansing pores, exfoliations, and massages, and skin rejuvenation. So this one right here, you get a Type-C to USB port. This has a 600 milliamp battery capacity. The EMS functions current is 4.5 to 9.6 hertz. The product size is 127 by 63 by 30 millimeters. This one does have mode 1 and mode 2. So this is mode 2. You've got 4 different levels. Same thing as mode 1. You've got 4 different levels. Although I have not been able to get past 2, it's kind of strong. If you do have metal in your mouth, you can definitely feel it. It is recommended to go from one side of your lip all the way up to the side of your ear on both sides. This is the charging port for a Type-C to charge it. This one does have a 600 milliamp battery, so it lasts a pretty long time before you need to start charging it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on into one mode. I'm going to try mode 1, and then I'm going to try mode 2. I did try mode 2. This one here seems a little bit more vigorous, where mode 1 was not so bad. So right here you can see I'm in mode 1. I'm going from the edge of my lip all the way up to the side of my ear. I'm going to make 3 to 4 passes on each side, and then I'm going to go from my bottom of my lip down to my neck. You can also do your forehead as well as your neck. This is great for tightening it up and just to rejuvenate your skin. I do recommend, if you're going to pass levels 2, it is a lot stronger and a lot harder. You can feel some teeny sensation, so I would recommend going to the lowest and work your way up. And then right now I'm just going from my chin all the way down to my neck, and I do have some fillings in my mouth, so I definitely can feel some of that. And then I'm going to go back up to my face. It is recommended using some kind of cream or aloe vera so it slides right on there. You can definitely feel this one. I have just started using this, and you can see where my skin is starting to turn red and where it's getting bright. The face is looking very nice. It does work. I would highly recommend checking this one out, especially if you're looking for a nice skin tightener. This is the one to look for.